Well, as you know, this is the 6th year of Mohammad Rafi night at Fidalgo. First of all, I would like to congratulate the management of Fidalgo for organizing such an event. The reason being is this is not an event for business or commercial this.
We really respect him, love his voice, love his music, and we want to continue as many number of years it has happened. Whereas Mr. Hemal said that yes, we are charging some amount in terms of the show, even we include the food and beverage in that particular show, in that charges. We actually do not charge for the show. This is the charges which we are actually charging for the food and beverage which has been served in the event.
Now, as far as Fidalgo and Mohammad Rafi is concerned, it's a more like a synonymous term. People who are in Fidalgo must be saying this event been going on since it's become a tradition in Fidalgo. It's like a festival. It's like people are so excited. Even the whole team in Fidalgo is so excited hosting this event. So you can very well make it out that like we are totally concentrated to make it a success, and most probably, as Sir said, I think 90% of the tickets have already been sold, and this is a tremendous response, and this is just because the continuity, the quality, and the performance what we are getting are one of the best in India.